free will, in my presence and the presence of the witnesses gathered here, say I do if you agree, if you give your consent to this marital union. I will first ask the grooms. Grooms, do you take your bride as your lawfully wedded wife and bind yourself forever in her love and service?
I do.
I will now ask the brides. Brides, do you take your groom as your lawfully wedded husband and bind yourself forever in his love and service?
I do.
May I ask all the people present here today to help the newlyweds with prayers and accept them as new couples in our community. At this point, I'd like to request the grooms to please produce the rings. Grooms, please take the ring for your bride. And as you place the ring on your bride's finger, please say to her, repeat after me, wear this ring as a symbol of my love and fidelity. Brides, please take the ring for your groom. And as you place the ring on your groom's finger, please say to him, repeat after me, wear this ring as a symbol of my love and fidelity. Now, brides and grooms together, please say to each other, repeat after me, from this day forward, we shall be one heart and one soul. For better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness or in health, until death do us part. Now therefore, by the power vested upon me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, as Vice Consul of the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Grooms, you may now kiss your very beautiful bride.